I woke up with the intention of making something different, something that I've never tried, something that I don't know if this is a thing. Okay, I'm sure it exists, but it's not something that I grew up in my household. But I have some green bananas and I wanted to make like a fritters out of it.
Show love, I'm gonna make you mine. There's something special about your love. I think it's one of a kind.
Prepping the fritters. I'm prepping the bananas over here. I'm still debating between the raw green banana, grating it, and then the boiled one. We'll see how it comes out. 4 bananas and then another 2 that I'm going to grater and then do a batter kind of that way. Show you how it goes. But again, this is full experimentation. But comment below if you're a Caribbean island or you're African country or wherever internationally, if you guys do this. I would love to know if Polynesians do this. I'd love to know if Africans do this. I would love to know if Caribbeans do this, because I'm really intrigued, because I'm like, yo, this have to be somewhere. Some country's gonna claim this, I know, in the comments below, and they're gonna be like, in Ghana we do this and we make it spicy, or somebody's gonna be like, oh, in Anguilla we do it and we just do it with a sweet sauce. There's gonna be somebody that says that they do it, and I'm gonna be like, oh. And there's probably gonna be some Jamaican that's gonna be like, oh, in Trelawney we do it this way. I just don't know, so I'm experimenting. So if you do this in your country or your place of origin, comment below and not only tell me that you do it, tell me how you do it, because I would love to see a video. Okay, so your cuts all around. I went to get ice cold water and ice came out. I don't think that's how it's supposed to be, but it's ice cold water now. Pro tip for green bananas, you can also run it once you've kind of sliced it and separated it, you can run it in the water and it's quicker or easier to separate. That's what I was told. It doesn't work for me. So you just gonna get banana that look bad. I was debating between the bigger side and the smaller side. I'm going to do the smaller side, this side. Not the greater, like if you're doing pudding, do this side. Alright, so I'm going to show you this technique that Chef Gustavo showed us with bell peppers. Hopefully I am doing him proud and doing it like how he taught us. I'll tell you in the end if I really did do it how he taught us. I think I got it. I think he would be very proud of me. This is the trash now. right, so this is a thick batter. They might end up being like a ball, so we'll see. Bring on.
What could you do to make them more airy? Maybe
I think the ratio of like banana to flour I have right now is very. This is more like it's heavy banana, you know. So this is how the green plants turn out. I did a little kind of pressed plants. This is the raw shredded green banana fritter. Nice and crispy. I'm not sure how the green banana is gonna cook because like I said, it was like raw.
It tastes good to me. Very light.
Yeah.
The only thing I actually would say is, in comparison, I want to say,
I like it.
is the non-boiled, like I was just saying the raw version, the non-boiled one. Initially, when I bit into it, you know, it's like a lot of flavor comes from like smell. I smelled
The
like
green
raw green banana.
Yeah. So yeah.
So initially I was like, oh, this probably might be too strong of a green banana taste, but it didn't taste like
It doesn't taste like that. But
the smell is there though.
Definitely you smell like, if you've been around green banana, you know it has like a, it's not a stinky odor, but it has like a,
you smell like
it's
green
raw,
banana.
it smells like green banana, like a raw banana.
I don't
like,
know how to explain it to you. It smells like something green that would stay in your shirt for life.
It's not, okay, that's the other thing. You know how like, if you've had bad green banana porridge, it can be stainy. I think that's the only word that we use in Jamaica. What is a more American term? It's like there's like a texture in your mouth that's like what we call stainy. This doesn't have that.
Oh,
it is,
no.
yeah.
Hands
so
down. It's super.
That's weird. I was thinking. I was kind of
than
nervous.
I thought it would be more dense and like heavy.
Yeah, this was excellent.
Saltfish. Yeah, you heard him. You heard him say it. Say it again for the record.
Oh, I didn't even know you were recording. No, this was excellent. Like, you should really have full confidence in doing this again.
All right.
I think it's one of a kind. There's something special about your love. I want it all.